Dear students, now we will see next practical. So the next practical is program for multiplication using near procedure. So it is similar to the additions, only the difference is here we are using the MUL instruction for the multiplication, rest program is same. So see here the M message is for the displaying this message program for multiplication using near procedure. M1 is the first number, that is 8. M2 is the second number, that is again 8, and M3 is for the result. Okay, and here the program begins. So here these two statements, move x comma data and move ds comma ax, is used to initialize the data segment. These three statement will display the means LADX comma M, move h comma 09h and 1921h is used to display the first message, that is program for multiplication using near procedure. These three statement dx comma m3 move h comma 09h and 1921h is used to display the result. So see here the first number is in M1, we have moved it into the AL register. M2 is the second number which is in the BH register now, and see mul instruction MUL BH. This instruction is having only one operand, that is BH. So this instruction will multiply AL with BH and it will store the result in AX register. Okay, so here first we will display the AL and then after that we will display the AH register. Okay, so first AL comma BL, so and AL comma 0F0, similar the logic is there as the output is 64, 8 into 8 is 64 and 64 is 40 in the hex. So first we will display 4 and then 0. So to display the 4 we have to multiply this number by 0F0, so it will mask this 0. So now we will get 40, but we want 4, so we have to rotate this 4 and this 0. So that is why we have taken the counter as 4. We will rotate it and we will call the message, that is display, which is used to display the 4 as the output. And the next is we want to print the 0h. So to print 0f we will multiply it by 0f and we will call the display procedure. Here we it is not necessary to rotate because as we want 0 and the result is 0. So this is used to return to the DOS prompt. Then this is the procedure. Okay, so what is that procedure? This is the near procedure and it is written in the same segment. So this procedure will compare these digits 4 and 0 with the AH, 0 AH, jump if less next. If it is less than A, then it will add 30, otherwise if it is greater than A, it will add 37 to convert it into the ASCII. And this 0 to H function is used to display that digits on the monitor. So to display that digits on the monitor, it is necessary to move into the DL register. Okay, so this is the near procedure, multiplication using near procedure. This is the similar program to the addition of two numbers using near procedure, but only the difference is here we have used MUL instructions. Now we will run this program. So on the command prompt we will run it, cd / as our program is stored into the into the masum directory, masum mul.asm, that is cd masm m2, what is the name of the program? It is mul filename.asm. Next command is l2 mul.obj. Okay, and the last command is mul.exe. Our two inputs are 8 into 8, it is 64 in decimal and it is 40 in hex, and we want to display the output in hex, so the output is 40. Okay, so this is the program for multiplication using near procedure. In the next section we will see multiplication using par procedure.